How to set up an autoresponder in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's set up an autoresponder. Click the autoresponders icon. This is where you create autoresponders for your email addresses. Autoresponders send messages back automatically to anyone who sends an email to a specified address. Enter an interval value, then enter an email address you want to send an autoresponder for. An interval of 8 hours means the autoresponder cannot send more than one email to an address within an 8-hour period. Now complete the rest of the autoresponder email. When finished, click Create, Modify. That's it. The autoresponder has been set up. Now, when someone sends an email to John, the out-of-office email will automatically be sent to them. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to set up an autoresponder in cPanel.